Hey, what's up guys, TXXR here, back with another video, and look. Yep, I got a dog. His name is Chance. He's about like a month old. He's bad. See? Here, let me see if I can try to hold him. Here we go. Look at the camera, dude. I think he just said hi. So, recently I haven't been posting a lot because of him. He came into our lives, and now we're busy, really busy. We barely have any time. Well, he's such a bad boy. But this is just a little taste of what's gonna happen to my channel. There's still gonna be it's still gonna be TXXR, a couple of gameplays, but there also might be a lot of more with this guy. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot more with him, and yeah, oh, I forgot. I almost forgot. I made him an Instagram. If you guys want to go check that out. There's loads of different cute pictures of him, and you can see a lot of stuff, like a lot of cute photos of him on his Instagram, which is oh, remember, there are no spaces and no caps. It's Mighty Chance the Pitbull. Oh yeah, right. His name is Chance. I don't know if I told you that, and he also has a weird obsession with cardboard. Ah, and going outside. We're not going outside right now. I think we might have to. Oh, and I'll also make it like a daily routine video. I'll also make a daily routine video of what our mornings are like with this guy. Such a stress. Ow! He wants to go outside, and I have to put the leash on him, but he won't let me put the leash on him. Look at those cute eyes. He's just standing here. Look at. Okay. No. Stay. Where are you being? What you doing? Okay, bro. Time to go. Chance. Time to go. Hey. Where you think you're going? Okay. Sorry, there are people there. I didn't want to see me talking to a camera. They probably might have thought that I'm on FaceTime with someone, but still. If you're new, subscribe. This guy is. Look at this guy. No. You don't. He's such a guard dog. He hears the slightest stuff. Okay, basically subscribe if you're new. Comment down below on this video. I'm not gonna put my intro in this because got some stuff to do. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Maybe with Chance, maybe not with Chance. You'll never. I don't know. Maybe later.